Chevretz hype zechum, Chasdi live, here we come. 2025. Chevre, get back kick. All the cars are coming to Chasdi live. All the Chushva Rebbis, all the Chushva Moras. Chasdi live, unbelievable. Chevre, here we are. Here's where all the cars coming over here. Welcome to Chasdi live over here. Unbelievable, the matzah over here decided. The order, the way every Rebbe comes in, he gets a ticket. They take him out, they help him out. Tvikim Tareb, Mashlo Chayde. Look at that, Rebbe. Every single Rebbe. The way they come in. As they come in, they get a cookie and a water bottle, right? Every Rebbe. Where you, Rebbe? YDE. Every Rebbe. Oh, I don't believe it. How are you guys? Shalom Aleichem. Wo sucht der Rebbe für 1 Minute? Look auf der Mic, halt der Mic, du. Sag ein bisschen der Matzev, du.
Der Matzev ist a Kiddush Hashem. Kiddush Hashem. Man hat lieb Rabbeim. Die Rabbeim haben lieb die Kinder. Der Eibstadt lieb ganz klar Yisroel.
Oh mein. We have Rabbi Glassman. Give a bisschen Matzev over here. Unbelievable.
For all the amazing Chasdi volunteers, we feel very much appreciated. Thank you.
Look, every Rebbe gets a cookie with a Danish. Unbelievable. Every Rebbe with a bumper sticker. So the Chassidische get Yasher Koyach and the Little get thank you. Unbelievable. Chevre, here we have Rabbi Naftali Miller together with his brother Rabbi Shmuel, the founders of Chasdi Lev. Rabbi Naftali, unreal.
First of all, Baruch Hashem, we have a wonderful team of founders. There are a lot of individuals that really started up with us together. Baruch Hashem, I'm here part of the group, and really the success of Chasdi Lev is the hundreds of volunteers that across the country make a difference every single year. Coming out, if you look around, you'll see thousands of people here. Thousands.
Unreal. How many pallets do you have here for? How many Rabbeim are coming here today?
We have today 2,500 Rabbeim coming today, and their families.
Rabbeim and the families.
I think it's a tremendous chus for us to be part of this.
And the way you do it, Rabbi Naftali, I did last week a video in Williamsburg. The Rebbe's were so happy. The way you mechaba them, the way you give it to them, is with a smile, with a simcha, unreal.
It's really, we feel it's our chus to give back to the Rabbeim a small part of what they do every single day. And here's our opportunity to tell them that Klal Yisrael appreciates what they do every single day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rebbe. We're going to go and interview some Rebbes. Hundreds of pallets, Chevre. Non-stop. 2,500 pallets. Geb a kick von der Haich. Lass mal sehen von der Haich. Wo steht sich du, Chevre? Unbelievable. 2,500 pallets. Mika am Yisroel. Da mal am Kimmen, mir pickt auf. Mir dreht sich, mir macht a Matzev. Unreal. Wow. Wer will nicht tun as Chis, im Nadav Zanti Chasdi Live, to donate to them, to be part of this. Ashreichu, unreal, it's nicht geleiben. Wie man mechabed am Melamed, how jede Melamed kid, me fehlt him in the car, fehlt so geht, the haruche von Melamed. Get back kick, Hever, get back kick of the cars do. Look at this, wer kann geleiben. Mashiach darf schon kommen.
It's unbelievable what Chasdi Lev does for all the Rabbeim. The schuzzel dabei stehen, muss have a freiliche kosher yonte.
Amen. Du stehst mit dem Namen von Alexander Geider. Give me in 10 seconds. What's is Chasdi Lev? What's going to do for?
Chasdi Lev geht a meniches a nefesh for jede Melamed, for jede angestellt in the Moiset. A chuvas adas. We're looking forward the whole year for the Paisach Halika.
Wow, and the way they do it, no?
The way they do it. The Kinder willen mitkommen.
Dann Kinder willen mitkommen?
Die ganze Sache, die Kinder sind in
the car.
Kinder sind
in the car, du. They're enjoying
They're waiting for it. They're waiting for it.
For them, it's a schist to see their father being a Melamed. They look forward to it. Unbelievable.
Look forward for the whole year. Thank you.
Unbelievable. Kijk, Chabatske Bucherem are loading up Melamed from Alexander. Where you boys from? Crown Heights?
Yeah, Ali Torah.
Crown Heights, Ali Torah boys. Unbelievable. The Melamed's kinder that do in the car. Kim and Rose Helfen. Unbelievable. Chevre, this is unreal. These pictures are worth a lot of money. Every picture you take here is worth millions. Unreal. Get good pictures. Chevre, get back. The Melamed's kinder in the back. They're helping out. Kol hakavod. Here we have Rabbi Goldberg, the administrator of Torah Tamim. Rabbi Goldberg, give me in 10 seconds the matzav here.
Matzav is unbelievable. Like every year,
unless you see it, you wouldn't believe it. But the amount of chesed that's being done is off the charts.
Wow. Kevin, the kids are loading it up. The volunteers are loading it up. Ah! Shalom Aleichem! Wie bist du am Melamed?
Was hat die weiß nicht?
Ich weiß ja, ich will dich fragen, was du so wissen.
Das heißt in Puppe.
In Puppe?
Wie denn? Noch in Puppe.
Noch in Puppe. Am Melamed in Puppe. Wie viel Jahr kommst du schon? Das ist das erste Jahr?
Nein, sagt Puppe.
Sagt Puppe umgehoben.
Aber frag mich nicht, wie viel Euro bin am Melamed.
Okay. She hibst immer nach 40 Jahren am Melamed schon, nein?
Sie wird schon ein Jäuvel.
Ein Jäuvel? Es ist schon am Melamed ein Jäuvel gehabt. Unbelievable. Keep it up. Wie spielst du? Kommen du aufpicken für Chasdei Live?
Es ist sehr du moiridig mit der Sache. Chayshif, sagt der Eulam, das ist immer wunder.
Unbelievable.
Mamisch. Da bringen Mashiach.
Did you hear that? He called him Rabbi. Where do you learn? Shari Tzion. And die bist am Melamed in Puppe. And this kid called you Rabbi. Isn't that the biggest? Unbelievable. Der Olim ist frisch, der Olim ist lebendig. Der Olim ist Geschmack, du. Der Olim tanzt in Simche. Over here we have Shalom Kushner. Show us, Shalom, what's going on over here.
From Yankees Pizza Store, we have pizza, we have French fries, we have Chasdei Lev donated all these chips all day long for all these wonderful volunteers that are coming every day.
Give a kick, like he says.
Give a kick.
Woof! So this is for the volunteers?
Father, for
Let's
everybody.
see what's in there.
Yeah, pizza, fresh pizza.
Have a fresh pizza for the
Give a
volunteers.
kick,
Come volunteer, come volunteer.
Yeah.
Kusha volunteers. So what's going on over here?
We're giving out the sweaters to the kids.
So every kid that comes to volunteer gets a sweater with a cap?
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Every single one. We even
Beautiful
have
sweater. You even have tiny sizes?
even tiny ones.
Kevin, bring your babies in carriages to volunteer. Show them what a Rebbe is. Wow. Kevin, you have no idea what's going on over here. Let me jump on over here a second. Tell me the matzah here.
It's an unbelievable experience. If you come here on a Sunday afternoon, people are off from work. They take time out of their day. They come just to help their Rabbeim and the Moras for the yeshivas, just because we care about each other as Yiddish.
Wow. Even Fame came to pick up over here. Look at that, for the yeshiva. Unbelievable. He came with a nice pickup truck in the back, so he has room to fill up the place. Get back, kid. Wow. Look who's here. Kevin, here we have Rab Zev. Rab Zev, what's going on over here?
Baruch Hashem Chaim, we are doing awesome. We have a wonderful Rebbe here, Rabbi Frankel. He's coming to get his order. He's going to have a Chag Kosher v'Sameach. He does so much for our children in the community, and Baruch Hashem, we're happy to do our part to help out also.
Kevin, Rab Motche Binnik, the famous Rabbi Binnik. Rab Motche, where are you, Rebbe? What's your shiva?
Shiva Tveres Yisrael.
Give us 30 seconds, the matzah, what's going on over here.
I just arrived over here, but it's not the first year. I've been doing this for since I'm a Rebbe. I started off, they used to actually deliver to my house.
Wow.
It came down, I guess today it became unbelievable. And it's Kedai, because if they would bring it to my house, I would never see what I see over here. I should really bring my kids to see what's going on over here.
To see what a Rebbe is.
Unbelievable.
Kevin, du mit Shimon, wie bist du am Melamed?
Yeshiva Kol Teure.
Yeshiva Kol Teure. Ist der erste Mal, du bist du?
Erste Mal, ich bin amazed. Es ist ein Kiddush Hashem zu sehen, wie es sieht aus, du viele jiddische Kinder kommen du mit den Minivans, heimlich verschiedene Minivans, in so eine Spool zu werden. Es ist ein Kiddush Hashem. Keep up the good work.
Die gab's da viel. Die sitzt in the front seat, in the back is full mit Kinderlicht, they're loading up your car as you sit.
Right, das ist gut nicht alles.
Das gut nicht stehen, the kids in the back fill it up.
Wow. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Yashikoyach.
Tzloche.
So I guess for Hasidische Rebbe, they give Yashikoyach, for Litvische Rebbe, they give thank you.
So wir sein, ja, so.
All right, we're standing with the president, Manhattan Borough President, going to give us some words of what's going on here at the Chasdei Lev.
This is just awe-inspiring what's happening here. Thousands of families coming in ahead of Passover to get kosher food. This is all run by volunteers. It's free because there are people who might not be able to afford it. We're doing a lot of good here. I'm so proud of the Jewish community right now. I'm grateful to Chasdei Lev, to my buddy Josh Melman, to all the yeshiva kids who've come out today to make this possible. This is the best of the Jewish community. I want people to know about it and celebrate it, and I wish everyone a happy Passover.
Thank you.
I'm Chief Richie Taylor, NYPD Community Affairs. It's a beautiful day out here at Floyd Bennett Field. We're out here with so many wonderful volunteers. NYPD Community Affairs, we have the mayor here, we have so many elected officials, so many people coming together to give. They say in this world, it's always a blessing, a bracha, to be a giver. And how many beautiful givers do we have here today giving for Pesach, for Yontiv. People who need and don't want to ask are receiving the most beautiful supplies, food for Yontiv, all with kavod, all lechvod Yontiv. This is a role model organization for all other agencies and all other organizations around the country, around the world. So shkoyach, amazing Chasdei Lev to the leadership. Many more great things to come. Thank you everybody for your support. Have a beautiful, happy, healthy, kosher Pesach.
Amen. Kleine kinderlich, Bucherem. Jeder eine like daran in the cars do. Unbelievable. Kevin, get my kick. Thousands of boxes. Kevin, this doesn't stop. Hundreds, thousands. Wow.
The matter we do is nicht push it. Every year, jedes Jahr kommen wir her, mamisch. Als eine warme Aufnahme, also jemand gegeben, also gepreist.
Wie sind ihr am Melamed? Bells. Der erste Mal du kommst? Wie viel Jahr kommst du schon? Ein paar Jahr. Unbelievable. So here we have two choshen from Vaksha Toyde.
My name is Yitzchak Kachman, his name is Mashiach Steinmetz.
Okay, so you came here to volunteer?
Vada.
Well, how do you feel?
Mamash. It feels good.
Feels good to give a Rabbi. Give back to your Rabbi.
Yeah.
Als ausgepaart met Melamed van 20 jaar, now you have to give back.
Hundreds of people coming, taking.
So well, help this Rabbi. No, don't let him schlep. Quickly, go help him. Here we have two tzaddikim from Aholi Torah in Flatbush. They came to volunteer. You came with your school? Did you drove all the way from your house?
Yeah.
Nah. You guys came by car, huh?
Yeah.
But you guys are chilling over here. What's the matter? You guys enjoy volunteering?
Yeah.
Giving back to your Rabbi. You guys follow the Perlowitz Show?
Of course.
Oh yeah, we have young fans over here. All right, keep it up. Go help the Rabbis. Have the noch kinder bucher in the back from cars helping out over here. Unbelievable. Somebody just donated right before Chasdei Lev's big distribution. An anonymous person donated a case of eggs for every single Rebbe, Chavre. Give a look at this. Am Yisrael Chai, every single Rebbe gets a case of eggs. Unbelievable. By an anonymous friend. Unreal. Eggs are expensive. Chavre, Bochum, you came from Crown Heights? Get over here. A whole bus of Bochum came? 100%. Okay, go catch your bus. They came by lunch. Push it to help out. A whole bus over there, Chavre. Give a kick. Full bus of Lubavitcher Bochum came from Holy Trade in Crown Heights. Over here, Chevra, as every Rebbe leaves, there's a beautiful gift with a book inside. Wow, a Haggadah Shel Pesach. Look at this. As the Rebbe leaves, they got a beautiful gift.
Just to show appreciation to all the Rebbeim, besides obviously the food and items the Rebbeim and the Moros are able to order, we also give a little special gift, which includes some Haggadahs, as well as a little gift with shiurim, just to show our extra special care and love for the Rebbeim.
So every Rebbe comes here, they line up, they open up that car, and you give them a beautiful gift on the way out. Unbelievable. Here we have the bus.
Okay.
Wow, all these Bachrim came to volunteer? Woo! Wow, all the way from Crown Heights, yeah? Chavre, give me 10 seconds. The Rebbe's all get. These guys are rocking. Baruch Hamaokim Baruch. Wow. This is special for my good friend Yossi Brisky. Special for Yossi. Fine. Avrumi, leave him in. Give us a shtickle situation, synopsis, what's going on here.
So Baruch Hashem, welcome. We're here in Chasdei Lev in the Brooklyn location. Can I know how 2,500 Rebbeim Mishpuchas are getting service from here today. We have a frozen section. Here you have the entry section. Here we give every Rebbe comes in, he gets a paper where he has to go, what row.
Every Rebbe comes in and he gets a paper. Show me how it works.
They get scanned. They have a zettel. They get scanned on the zettel.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So the Rebbe comes in, he gets a paper with a bumper sticker.
And then they print him out a paper where his order is, because we have 2,500 orders over here.
They print him out a paper where his order is, and they put something on his car. What's all these?
And these are what aisle?
What aisle he has to go to. So they put it on his car, and he heads out to that aisle. Unbelievable. Wow, look at this. Unreal.